So we are seeing about test in the DBT. So I will explain again and we will go practically.
Yeah, hi
Yeah.
Madhu. Like my this one, Snowflake account trial completed. So
So you can create a same account. Oh, Snowflake account completed completely. Okay, no problem. Once. Chandra, are you following like test everything in class? Are you doing
Yeah.
practically when I'm explaining?
Uh, no, bro.
Sandeep, you?
After that class, I am practicing, bro.
One at practice. Okay. The test one,
Yeah.
everything is done like creating the customer tables and everything.
Yeah, I got some errors in that.
Okay, you have Snowflake and DBT account, right? Account setup and everything.
Yeah, yeah, both are there.
Okay. Okay, Sandeep, share your screen. Okay. Today, we're going to teach on your screen. So, okay.
Okay.
Usually, test this is the command. Usually, last time we are getting errors. So, DBT test going to run all the test and the DBT test select. We can give test to name. So, but last time we are getting errors. But we can use if we are receiving any error. If not, it's not run properly. Like it's only run like 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds. Okay, so we need to check, go with select relevant path. Okay, relevant path. Always go with the relevant path. So this is good way. Okay, going to okay, Sandeep, share your screen. Okay, so we will complete remaining test. Okay, today. Okay,
I
meanwhile,
already
Mahesh,
shared.
Mahesh, you can to create one more Snowflake icon. You can give create one more. So you can use the same DBT account, no problem. So you can do the connection setup. So what are the data given like tables? Same thing you can do it and create the models. Okay, tomorrow you can share that screen. Okay.
okay,
Yeah, Sandeep, share your screen. Okay, okay, thank you.
I already shared, bro.
Okay. Now open the DBT account, Snowflake account.
Okay. Yeah, this is DBT account.
Uh,
Here I am facing some error.
I'm not seeing your screen.
Okay. Now,
Yes, yes, no.
yeah.
Open DBT account.
yeah, this error I am facing.
Yes, sir. Okay. From don't use semicolon. Okay. 13th line. Don't use
Okay.
semicolon. Okay. So now you have done everything what you have told, right? Okay, customer summary file. So open test file. Test.
Yeah,
Yeah.
test
Okay.
file.
In go to test and create one file.
Actually, here it is correct, right? Select ordered ID. This one, intermediate customer order
Yes,
product.
yes, correct, correct. You can check the preview. If anything is there, let me. It's not working in orders. You need to give the fully qualified name. 13th line, there is orders. You need
Uh,
to give fully
okay.
qualified name, and 14th line, you need to give fully qualified name, and 16th line.
Dot short dot.
Last we have done unique and not null test, right?
Yeah. Which case?
Unique and not null test you have written. So again doing the test, I will give you the option, create one what unique test, create one unique test. I'm creating pasting content.
Yeah.
Go to the test folder, create file unique.yml,
YML.
create chart. I pasted copy and paste here.
Okay. Cat. Yeah.
So again, enter, write again, give the enter, don't save now. Hyphen name, copy 6 line to 8 and paste again. 6 to 8, copy it and paste again. 6 and 7 in that chart only. In that only. Open the DBT account, not chat box.
DBT
Open.
account.
Yeah, the 6 line
Yeah.
to 8, 6 to 8.
Okay.
Copy and paste in the ninth line.
Okay.
So the name customer ID, instead of that put customer name.
Yeah.
Unique test you can put not null. So if you are doing on same table on same model multiple tests, so we need to use only one YML file, not two different files. Okay, if we create for each test each file, it's going to throw the error. So we are doing stage customers. If you are writing any test on stage customers, so we need to write in the only one YML file only. Okay, ninth line, give the space, make it alignment after hyphen, after before that one. Now save it. So now try to run command dbt test. If it is not successful, we need to go with name, but it's not showing success. The test is fine, but we need to see the output. Okay, run dbt run hyphen select
Customers.
not customers, copy that test relevant path. Go to scroll down, go to test. Okay, where is that unique test? Okay, copy relevant path, dbt test hyphen select and paste it.
One minute.
Go to dbt account. Okay. Dbt test, paste now. Not run dbt test. Now run it. So if you have any null values and if you have any duplicate values, it's going to throw the error. So now it's fine. So it's running properly. Okay, scroll down. Okay, even it's not showing the output. Okay, scroll down. Run. Have you copied exact? Copy the relevant path again.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Copy name. Copy name. Not showing.
DBT test. Select.
Okay,
Like
run
this.
it. Run it. Again,
Yeah, it is.
copy relevant path. It's only success, but it need to show the
Test bar unique YML. Right?
okay. Run
Can
it.
I
Run
remove
it.
test
Delete dot yml. See,
test success?
test success. Okay, but we need to see the output here. So what is the test name and okay. Same thing, copy and paste it and delete the .yml and run it.
dbt test
Test.
hyphen select and remove test or what it
Remove .yml.
.yml. Okay. Yeah.
So it's showing test succeeded. It's not showing the output. See the system logs. Go to system logs. Warning: configure path exists in your dbt-yml file, which do not have applied to any resources. They are one unused config path. My models, my new project dot example. Text does not match any enabled nodes. Run checking. Okay. So you have stage customers file, right? Model.
Stage custom.
Go to
Yeah.
stage
Stage
customers.
customer stage.
This is right. This is you
Yeah.
need to
Yeah.
change this name to stage customers and run it. After we can run the test. Rename it stage underscore customers. Now dbt run. After that can go with so run only the single model.
Okay.
dbt run hyphen select stage customers. The money mark depends on a node customer which was not found. Okay, something we have changed the name, right? So keep it
Yeah. We
same
have to.
name. Keep it same name. Previous name only customer stage. So if you do changes, you need to go with the why you need to change the everywhere. Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Confirm in test folder. Run it first. Again run it. dbt run. Again we need to change in the dbt test. So now go to test. For test file unique.yml. Open it.
Okay.
So put their name customers underscore stage.
Customer stage.
Now save it and run it. Now simply you can run dbt test. Don't give any name. It will take you. So now it's taking, okay, dbt test. Okay, unique test. See, not null on customer stage, customer name. Okay, unique test on customer stage and customer ID. Okay, this is. Next we go with accepted values test. Okay, create one more file. Accepted.yml. The values.yml.
Values.yml.
So what is your model name?
Model name is customer stage.
No, we're going to write on the orders. What is that
Order
orders?
order stage name .sql. Order stage .sql.
Okay. So copy that, paste it. I will explain the accepted values test. Okay. So change the model name orders test. So models on stage order stage. Open it. Models
Yeah.
name on order stage. We are writing on columns name quantity test we are doing. The test is so hyphen accepted values. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, first hyphen name, what is the test, quantity test. Okay, so then what is the on the quantity column, we are writing the test hyphen name of quantity. So test hyphen accepted values. So inside we need to provide the what are the values. So values 1 2 3 4 5. So in that column, in the order stage, in that quantity column, the value should be only 1 2 3 4 5. If any other values, it's going to throw the error. So now run the test, dbt test hyphen hyphen select values space hyphen hyphen select. So values, so it should have only 1 2 3 4 5. So showing the success. Okay, now try with full name. So
Values dot yml, right?
yeah, why? No, copy the relevant path from there only.
Okay.
No, copy the path. So you have orders underscore stage, right? Orders underscore stage.
Orders. Yeah, it's there.
Okay, copy the relevant path, that values. Accepted values orders to, it's throwing error. Why? Because of, so open that, go to Snowflake account and open that orders table, select star from orders, run it, select star from orders 37. See that column having quantity column, what are the values quantity having?
215 up
Two
to
one
5.
five 3 2 1 4 2 1. Last one, what is the last one? 3, right?
3.
So having only 2 1 5 3 2 1 4 2 1 3 etc. So having only these values. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 we given. Okay, now go to that again dbt. Now check the code. Okay, uh, 1 2 3 4. This is a proper one. Go to that orders model. Okay, so
Can I remove this limit?
remove the
Is
limit.
it fine?
Now save it. Now run it. Orders. Now run test again. See the what is the error we are receiving.
No, it's
Yeah,
fine.
it's fine now. Okay, so this is, suppose give the sixth value. Uh, so go to orders table, insert one value. Go to Snowflake. Okay, insert one row. Change quantity. Change that customer order ID also. Change order ID.
Order ID, I have to change as
Yeah,
1
order ID 111. Okay, here quantity change to 7. Quantity last one. Now insert. Okay, so now go to dbt, run the model first. So after run again test, now it will going to throw the error. So
orders dot change.
yeah, that orders underscore stage. Chandra, Mahesh, Narendra getting right. Vasant, అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes, bro.
అని కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే
Yes,
చెప్పండి.
bro.
కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి.
ఓకే.
సో మనం డేటా చేంజ్ చేసుకుని మోడల్ రన్ చేసుకోవాలి, మళ్ళీ తర్వాత టెస్ట్. సో ఇది
ఇప్పుడు
బయట
DBT test.
ఇప్పుడు డిబిటీ టెస్ట్, టు ఇట్ డిబిటీ టెస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు త్రో ద ఎర్రర్. Open that, see the what is that, go to details. Okay, so failure in test, accepted values, order stage quantity 1 2 3 4 5. So get result configured 1 fail. Okay, so because of we are having the quantity 7, right? So that's why. So go to test file, put after 5 6 comma 7, after 5 6 6 comma 7, save it and run test. It's going to successful. Usually this test right now it's running perfectly, but previously DBT don't have the packages of test, accepted values test packages. So in that scenario, we need to go to the DBT-UTILS website. We need to copy the package, paste it. After that, DBT Deps command, then we can run the test. Okay. So next, one more test we're going to do. Okay, that one. I mean giving minimum value, maximum values. Okay, create like min and maximum dot yml, one file, test file. I'll give the content. Min and maximum values. Okay, in chart box I'll paste in the code, copy and paste it. So this is the test that change the model name. Okay, so version 2. Okay, again models and name, change that model name in fourth line, order stage you have written. Okay, so order stage and model we are writing columns on order stage, on columns quantity column test is. So dbt expectations except columns value to between, so minimum value 1, maximum value 100. So in that column we need to have only, so 1 to 100 only. Now run this test, what it going to show. So see the error. DBT found two schema data YML file entries. Previous I told, right? Same test here, right? We need to include in one test, right? So delete that already. We have order stage. Okay, delete. So on same we
Order
are
stage.
doing. Usually we can write it same test in a same file. So as of now we can delete that one. That values.yml, delete that file because
Okay.
of that is order stage. This is also order stage, right?
Yeah.
Even we can do the same test in one file also. Okay, yeah, that's now just we are deleting. So same thing after same content, after quantity we can that values test, right? We can paste here, no problem. So yeah, that's now we are deleting. Okay, now run again this test. So see the error, I will come up 1 minute, I will come back some.
Failure in test DBT expectations. Stage quantity 100.
Okay. So what is it showing the error?
It is showing that
Show me
values
again.
range value.
Show me the error again. So open that details. So column between content to one test minimum and maximum completion and test. So see, install packages dependence with the DBT Deps. Okay. So we need to going to use the packages. So open one Chrome tab, one more tab. So go to DBT-UTILS. So already there are some codes are written. You can run it. Open that packages hub. So these are okay. These are packages. Okay. So now scroll down. So see what is the test are there. Okay, we are writing a relation the test, right? See, wait. Don't scroll down completely. First read it. There is equal row count, fewer rows, equality expression. The last one, not null relation maximum SQL unique combination. Accepted range. Open that one. Accepted range. Scroll down. This is going to be version 2 model name columns user ID arguments minimum value inclusive. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, grouping and so the columns. So here we need to find one test. Okay, taking control. So give the output that one. Okay. Don't touch cursor. Come back, Sandeep. Come back.
DBT or what?
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
accept range. DBT expectations values.
Can we able to search
No
here?
such options. Yeah. So see, 1 second. Source relationship mutually exclusive unique accepted range. So this is only accepted range only. So this is the test. How the test is written. Like see. TV accepted range arguments. Okay, so I will give the one code. Okay, that one can paste it. Create. Go to DBT account. So that's suitable one. We need to search and we need to find it. Okay. Suitable package we need to copy relevant to that our test. We need to paste. Okay. So copy. I pasted in one chart box. Copy that one. So go to okay. Have you copied?
Yeah.
So go to so minimize all this one file explorer. You can minimize it.
Which one?
Minimize that test models. Minimize here left side. Left side. I need to see all files.
Hmm.
Minimize again. Minimize the test. Click on that one. So models also minimize. Click on models. Now go to move cursor top, OMS DBT cloud. Click on three dots. We need to create the here. Click create file, package.yml. Packages, not package.
Okay, sir.
Confirm. So in the dbt-utils, you can see, right? Okay, row count,
Yeah.
column count, different tests are there. Okay, we can use all the tests. Okay, paste that code. Chart box I have pasted. So
Hmm.
macros. Okay, so that suitable one. Delete fifth line.
Hmm.
So this is the package code. Packages column and this one. There is error packages column. Just give the space. Okay, no, don't give after packages. Give the space colon. Why it's doing it? Still having the error. The hyphen in control from the C it should start package start. Okay. Up. So paste in chart box. Okay. That not paste in chart GPT. Give fix it. Give like that. It's showing the red mark. Open. Just give the showing the error red mark. Okay. Version must be string. Okay. Copy this one. Copy paste again. Restoring.
Same here. DBT Deps. That's all. No, run DBT Deps. Okay, but is this string like this?
Thing like this packages. So version 0 point greater than okay fine. Now go to that one. Run dbt tips. No, run dbt tips.
Can I say first?
Save it and run it. Dbt tips. Okay, it won't show anything.
Yeah.
Now run dbt test. Still it's showing it's not run properly. So now if you try to clear this one packages column after it's not giving the any. Okay. Like 1 second. Uh, Paste this one.
Okay.
Still showing red mark. In chart box I pasted, right? Go with that one.
Yeah, that one.
That one only?
Yeah, that one only. I copied and I pasted already.
I will paste it still. Okay.
Still it is showing error. Can I use like this?
One second. Packages.yml. Okay. Go to the DBT only. I will fix it. So we can paste it to this one. I already told to you previously that file name is packages. Give the yes.
Yeah.
Not here. Change the file name packages. Dot.
Okay.
So delete that package.yml. Keep it packages yml.
Okay.
Now paste it. Delete this also. Delete this. Okay, paste it. Now save. Now run dbt Deps. So now it succeeded. Okay. It's okay. Auto fix. So run now test. You can run the test.
DBT test, right?
dbt test. That only that test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So after installing packages, it's showing like successful. Okay. This is where the run test. So
To
there is
install
only
the package, we have to copy paste this packages
yeah
like this
from
way.
that DBT utilities you can find it with search. There we will get
Okay.
that package. We can paste it.
Okay.
Okay. This one. So then only after the test going to run. Because DBT needs some packages. So that is one advantage in the DBT. We can use already written code test. You open the DBT utilities, you can find everything there. For every test, this is a code, sequential values, okay, and
This
accepted range, okay. We can copy and we can use for the test, okay. So there is only one minute. Rejoin with the same link, okay.
okay.
Rejoin.